So today we're going to put some taters in there. 4 little small taters. Yep. And we'll slice them. Food processors are the best thing in the world. Half a big old carrot. Oh, 2 stalks of celery because there's 2 people eating. Let's slice them. Half a summer squash. Half a green pepper. This is a big old ass radish. Big old radish. Yes, we left the tail on. It's a root vegetable. Oh, an onion. Those are white sweet onions. It wouldn't go in there. Nope. It's not happening. Let's cut it in half. Oh, now it fits perfectly. That is a pepper. A hot ass pepper. Done. We got some baby matters. We got some garlic sauce. We got some broccoli. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. Oh yeah. So we thought this skillet would be big enough. But then, after adding all that, you see that? Oh, everything. We discovered that skillet was too little. That skillet couldn't hold all that. So we had to get out the iron skillet. Put some extra virgin olive oil. Yep. Some more garlic sauce. And we took these vegetables and we put them right over in there. Yeah, I did scrape that out. And we mixed it up. But what I didn't get a chance to tell you was I added salt, pepper, rosemary, basil leaves, and a little bit of Slap Your Mama sauce or seasoning. And here it is in the oven cooking.